Sugar Land, Texas, is known for its warm, humid climate, characterized by hot summers and mild winters. Homeowners here often seek ways to maximize natural ventilation while keeping energy costs down. One effective solution to improve airflow in your home is installing awning windows. These windows offer a unique design that allows for better air circulation, which is especially beneficial in Sugar Land's often sweltering weather. Understanding awning windows. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design allows for a clear view of the outside while providing a distinctive function, improved ventilation. They are often installed in areas that need natural airflow, such as kitchens, bathrooms, and other smaller spaces. Their design makes them ideal for creating a comfortable indoor environment while also shielding your home from the elements. Ideal for Sugar Land's humid climate. Sugar Land experiences long, hot summers with high humidity levels, often exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit in the hottest months. The humidity can make it feel even warmer and stifling indoors. Air conditioning is essential in these conditions, but it can lead to high energy bills. Awning windows provide a more energy-efficient way to enhance ventilation without sacrificing comfort. Unlike traditional sliding or double-hung windows, which may allow rain or debris to enter when opened, awning windows offer a practical solution in rainy or windy conditions. Their outward opening style ensures that rain runs off the window, while still allowing fresh air to circulate inside. This is particularly important in a city like Sugar Land, where sudden rain showers are frequent in the warmer months. Maximizing cross-ventilation. Proper ventilation in your home can drastically reduce the reliance on air conditioning, lowering energy consumption and keeping your utility bills in check. Awning windows are great for creating cross-ventilation, which is a technique that uses wind to naturally cool your home. By placing awning windows on opposite walls or in key areas of the house, you can facilitate the flow of cooler air from outside, pushing warm, stale air out. In Sugar Land's climate, where outdoor temperatures are often high, the ability to harness cross-ventilation can make a significant difference in indoor comfort. Whether you're trying to cool down a living room or circulate air in a bedroom, awning windows provide an effective means of letting in fresh air without the worry of letting in rain or pests. Preventing heat buildup. The structure of awning windows also plays a role in controlling heat inside your home. When these windows are open, they create an awning-like effect that provides shade to the window opening. This shade helps block direct sunlight from entering your home, reducing heat gain and making your living space more comfortable. This added shade can prevent your air conditioner from working overtime, ultimately saving on energy costs and maintaining a more consistent indoor temperature. Security and privacy. Another advantage of awning windows is their enhanced security and privacy. When open, the window's outward opening design makes it harder for intruders to access the home, as they cannot be easily reached from the outside. This can be especially reassuring in areas where privacy is a concern. Additionally, awning windows are less likely to be obstructed by furniture or landscaping, allowing for unobstructed views while still allowing you to keep the window open for ventilation. Choosing awning windows for your home in Sugar Land. When selecting awning windows for your home, there are several factors to consider, such as the window material, size, and placement. Opt for energy-efficient frames, such as vinyl or fiberglass, to further enhance insulation and prevent air leakage. It's also important to choose high-quality weather stripping to ensure that your windows remain effective in keeping the elements at bay. For Sugar Land residents, installing awning windows can be a game-changer in terms of improving ventilation, reducing energy consumption, and enhancing overall comfort. By allowing fresh air into your home while blocking out rain and minimizing heat buildup, awning windows are an investment that pays off both in terms of utility savings and indoor air quality. Conclusion: awning windows are a smart choice for homeowners in Sugar Land looking to improve natural ventilation in their homes. Their design makes them an excellent fit for the humid, warm climate of Texas, offering a way to enjoy the outdoors while maintaining indoor comfort. By enhancing airflow, maximizing cross-ventilation, and providing added protection from the elements, awning windows are a valuable feature that can make a real difference in your home's energy efficiency and comfort.